Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review on the Nike Jacquemus. I really hope I'm saying it correct, but I'm doing a review on the Nike Jacquemus Humara. So let's get into our box. Our box is different from our typical Nike box. It has the mini Nike swoosh. It has Jacquemus, and the regular Nike swoosh right here. So we get into it. Our paper says Jacquemus. Then our regular paper after that, and then voila, we have our shoe. So I do want to say this shoe came out on December 5th and it retailed for $170. Now I got these shoes from Wish Atlanta, which I was really surprised that they were still in there because I really liked the silhouette of the shoe and I was gonna get the brown color in their shoe. They did not have my size, so I was really surprised. And I also saw them at the Nike store and see this is available on the sneakers app, which is really surprising because me personally, I really like this shoe. I like the play on the pink. So let me stop talking, let me just get into it. So we have our Nike Humara silhouette. Right off the bat, it's a lot of pink. And I said that because it just is, and it's not a bad thing. A lot of pink can be a bad thing, but it's not. I like that our sole is a gum sole, so it kind of takes away from that pinkness, and I like it. To me, the sole reminds me of like cargo jeans, which I probably would wear with this shoe. Yeah, so I just want to get, into the details of the shoe. Alright, let me just break down the shoe a little bit. So we have bright pink mesh on the upper of our shoe, and we also have suede. Now I'm looking at like the suede I really like on the shoe. I'm really big on texture, so I really like the texture, and I like that color pink, excuse me. We also have our small Nike check, the gold Nike check. It's so cute and it's so dainty, and I just honestly feel like a regular Nike swoosh would have overpowered the shoe. I don't think I don't think it would have given this. It's like the colors are so bright, and but it's subtle bright, and I like this little gold check. It's like, I don't know, I just like it. I think it's real cute. Of course, our laces are this cream color, like an off-white color. Love that. On our tongue, we have pink as well. Our eyelids are pink as well. We have Jacquemus on the tongue of our shoe, and it's like it's a brighter pink than the pink on the tongue. So you can see it, but you can't really see it. But I still really like that. I also really want to get into the tips of our laces. I think that this shoe has a really good play on pink. The tips of the laces are just dope as hell. I've never seen a tip of a lace like this in my, shoe journey. So it's just like, it's pink. I don't know how to explain it. It's like shades of pink with a Nike swoosh. I don't know, it's just, I like it. I like the tips of the shoe. Of course, our heel, we still have suede, and we have our mesh. So the mesh goes around the whole shoe, even to the heel of the shoe. And one thing that I really like besides the Nike check, I like this. It almost looks like, I don't really know what to call it, but it strings through the laces and it strings to the back of the shoe, through the heel, and I really like this. It actually goes through the heel. See, I didn't know that. Oh, it all connects, but it doesn't look like it all connects. I like that. That looks real cool. Yeah, so I'm gonna put this on. Let y'all see what it looks like on my foot. I'm doing my all black fit today. I have on my Nike 450s. My Yeezy 450. So I'm gonna put the shoe on. It's already pretty much laced. The laces remind me of an Air Max. Feels real airy. I like this. It ain't doing too much. I thought it was gonna do too much. It ain't doing too much. So I do want to mention that this is a women's shoe. The biggest size it goes to in men is 13, which I think that's really good. I don't think that's bad. I still think most men can get the shoe. But I just want to say a couple of my favorite things about the shoe. One, love the small Nike gold swoosh on the side of both shoes. Love that. Love that we have a gum sole. Really also a big fan of the suede going around the shoe and from the front of the shoe all the way to the heel of the shoe. Love that. We even have it on our toe. I mean, there's so much I could say about this shoe. My favorite thing of all about this shoe is the attention to detail. When you look at it from the upper to the sole to the different types of textures, we have mesh, we have leather, we have suede. Even the laces have me blown away. Like the tip of the laces, like I'm really digging this shoe, honestly. But thank you so much for watching this review. I really hope this review is helpful for you because the shoe, like I said, seems really bright and it looks like it could be a lot, but in person it's fire. The details on the shoe are fire. I feel like this is a really great shoe. I think this, the Humara, the Jacquemus and Nike Humara collabs, even the brown, I really like the brown, but everyone was saying it's giving you're going hiking. But I'll go hiking in them because those are cute. Like I said, the price point is $170. They go up to a size 13 in men. They just released on the 5th of December. And as far as I know, you can get the shoe for retail still. So do not sleep on the shoe. The shoe is really dope. And don't sleep, period. So thank you guys for watching. I'll be back with more content, more shoe stuff. So yeah, I really hope you guys liked this review and found it helpful. And let me know in the comments if you got the shoe, like always. Want to get it, plan on getting, need help with sizing, anything, just let me know. Thanks so much.